So we're just in the Vescovi Coffee plant at the moment. This is in Padua, in Italy, home of Saint Anthony of Padua. He's the patron saint. He's buried here. You can see the coffee now being released. So it's now been roasted. And this is one of some nearly 1,500 coffee roasters around Italy. It's circulated here, and this helps the coffee beans cool down. So obviously it comes out quite warm when it's been roasted. And now you can see it's mixed around, gives it plenty of fresh air, and hence cools the coffee beans down before they are then transferred into another container. They are sucked up and then taken through here. And then they continue on eventually down into this chamber. So when they're first put in, they weigh about 100 kilos. By the time they come out, about 84 kilos. So it loses about 16 kilos in the process. Probably do with a bit of roasting myself. From here, the coffee then is moved up into one of these hoppers, or should we say it's lifted up and placed in this area, and then it sits here for about 38 hours.